everything from up here. I'm trying to catch up to that beaver though. Yeah, I'm gonna hit up Guitar Center. It's Black Friday today, and I'm gonna try to get a good deal. Let's see what they got. It's gonna be my first guitar. I've been wanting one for a minute, but my girlfriend was supposed to get me one, but I decided to just get one. She took too long. Yeah, I'm also planning on going snowboarding. So we'll see how that goes. I'll try to get some footage of that too. That'll be dope. I'll be taking them way faster, but as you can see, there's so many cars just packed up right here at Big Bear. We got a cabin, it's pretty big, and it was only like $100 a night. It's like 3 stories, has a hot tub. We'll be out here for like 2 nights. Hey, let me know if you guys want more POVs like this too. I'm thinking about getting a GoPro, because I've been riding dirt bikes lately, and I can get some pretty good footage of that as well. Let me know what you guys think. I also want to change my name from AC Productions to, I'm not exactly sure what, but I mean, if you guys could help me out, that'll be pretty cool.
Do you know where to go next?
My name's Angel, by the way. Let me see. Yeah, just straight ahead. If you're new to the channel, my name's Angel, guys. I make G35 videos. I'll start making dirt bike videos too, and I'll probably get some footage on snowboarding too. My radar detector going off. Oh shit. It really is beautiful. Check it out. Should have been having that open. 5-speed automatic. Still plenty of fun though. We got them haters. Look how beautiful that is. Check out the water, y'all. Finally, I have it to myself. So here's a new shirt for the giveaway, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I might switch it up a bit. I didn't want it to be this big. I wanted it to be a little smaller, but this is how they did it. And it's not too bad. I mean, I like it. Let me know what you guys think. All right. We giving away 3 of these right here. They're soft, you know. Might switch it to the Pro Club style t-shirts with the thicker neck, but these ain't too bad either, so we'll see what happens. Here's another view of the shirt right here. It's like a superhero, infinity superhero. Out here at Big Bear, you know, G35. About to hell bomb this, you know. Let's do it. It's actually pretty steep, guys. I'm doing this for the giveaway. Kind of nervous, guys. Hell no. There's no way I'm gonna grab you. Whew. That was dope. That was dope. I know it doesn't look that steep, guys, but it is. Once again, guys, thank you for all the love. I never thought I would be at 700. I'm almost at 1,000, guys, but I really appreciate each and every one of you. And everything I've done is nothing. Like, I got so much more planned for the G35. Paint, gotta paint the bumper, maybe paint the fenders, whole new paint for everything. Got the IPL side skirts right there, IPL rear bumper, you know. 0607 headlights, or tail lights, I mean. I had to take off the 10 because I got a ticket. I got so many tickets. That's why I got the radar detector too. I'm gonna do a review on that. But yeah.
Did you clean up downstairs?
Yeah, I cleaned up. Yeah,
Everything's clean.
yeah, guys. Thanks for all the love. Go snowboarding now. Now what?
Everything's clean downstairs?
Cabin right here.
Oh my gosh.
It's my girl. It's 3 stories. We didn't really go to the attic, but got some beds up there and stuff. It's our hot tub. You know, out in the wild. The grill right here. Let me give you guys a little tour. Screw it. It's a kitchen. Slowly. Crackers and salami. Restroom. It's the living room. We're kicking it right here, eating crackers, pop a bottle of champagne, watching movies. A massage chair. I accidentally locked myself out, so I had to climb in through the freaking window. So dumb. Yeah, this is where we're sleeping right here. Already packing up. Nice little TV, little fireplace. It gets warm in here. Another restroom. And guys, there's so many, you can fit so many people in here. Like, there's rooms everywhere. Wouldn't even really come in here much. Yeah. All right, guys. See you at the mountain. My hair's a little goofy too. Fix that. I recommend coming out here if you have like especially if you have a G35 or any kind of sports car. There's all kinds of curves and stuff, and it's just a fun time out here too. So we just ate some pizza. What was it called, babe? We got some pizza at Saucy Mama's, had a few drinks, and now we're gonna go to the summit.
Snow summit.
and hopefully we could escape snowboard. Yeah. It's a great time out here. Oh yes.
Don't go fast.
Look how tall that is. I'm gonna be zipping through that. Zipping through that. Yeah, should be fun, guys. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We got dirt bike content, G35 content, all kinds of motorsports content, skateboarding, everything, bro. We do it all over here. We're about to go down that mountain, man. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below for the giveaway. It's gonna be lit, guys. It's gonna be lit. Look at that. This is Big Bear, by the way. Big Bear. I see that. Look at that. I'm going. We just got here, guys. Check it out. It's dope, bro. Got an Infinity game. G35. It's M2 right here. It's clean, not gonna lie. It's clean. Not the racing seats. Look at that. Oh, I had to mount that because stupid ticket, but I'm gonna probably take it off and put it right there. Yeah, we're out here. It's good. With my sweatpants right there, with my Nike Tech. Yeah, we're good. Let's go.
Okay.
It's hard, guys. It's hard. Oh, beautiful. Just got done. I'm sorry I couldn't get no footage because I kept on falling on my ass. But I'll be back. I started getting the hang of it like towards the end. Man, but it's a lot harder than it looks. Oh yeah. I felt like at least 10 or more times because we go so fast on that thing. Like, and we were on the little one. We were on the little mountain. There's a big ass one. We didn't go on that one because it was our first time. It's for the pros, but maybe next time I want to keep at it because it was really fun. Try this one maybe.